And for example, I want to keep note about this information on the neo4j. And here I have my save to Notion. And like I can do like this, I can put the save to Notion like this. And here I can because I want to do copy of my action. I can click this one and I save to paste. So I already saved this information to the Notion. And when I come to this one, on my action here, this is all my action already. So I will delete them all because I don't want to confuse everybody. And here I can select the projects. I can select the project here. Take on the masterclass. This one. I can click this one. And you can hear this is all the information about that one. So this is very simple. You can see that I already put the something here, go there. And now I can show you another way that I can get the data from the outside inside the Notion as the task or as the like this one, like for example, this is something that I want to keep inside the Notion. So very easy for me to take this one. Hold on. So I try to get the content from here. I will copy this one and will go back to my Notion. And for example, this one is something that I go like I can click this one. I say that training from Vera about becoming project manager. So somehow we can say that because you had the product manager also need to know about the project manager. So this is something that we earn injustice. And again, we can paste the information here. And later on, when we have this one, we can have a very quick look. And one of the things like we can do the link so that we can keep the link as well. We try to have everything in one place. And now we can assign this task, this action to a project. So let's say that this also related to my project as becoming the take on this one. No, maybe now I take on this one. Just make it. And here I can add the node filter is it's not this one. And when I go to my action item, I have these two things. And when I go to my my project list, I will have two things here. And when I go to my action zone, copy action. Why we cannot have the action zone on this one? It's amazing. Let's see that coming. So if I create an action zone, wow. So my template already missing the action zone. So bad. Okay, so this is really something that I had to fix it. So basically, this is the template I try to create as a template, but somehow the template is not finished yet. So that's why let me go to my action zone here, and I want to show to you one thing like let's say something not very important. Um, for example, I just build a system like this, and then I forward this one to Notion. This is something that I can do. I can forward this one to Notion as well.